In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Hostinger. This is an essential step if you're planning to manage your web hosting payments efficiently. So let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Hostinger website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. It's a good idea to have your login credentials handy to make the process smoother. Once logged in, you'll land on the Hostinger homepage, which is also referred to as the H panel. This is your control center where you manage all things related to your Hostinger account, such as domain names, hosting plans, and most importantly for today, billing. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll notice several options listed vertically. Go ahead and find Billing. It's usually towards the lower section. Clicking on Billing will open a new page where you manage all payment-related tasks. This section allows you to see your transaction history, view invoices, and of course, manage your payment methods. The next step is to click on Payment Methods. This option will be visible as a clickable link once you're inside the billing section. Selecting Payment Methods will lead you to a dedicated page specifically for managing how you pay for services at Hostinger. This is where you can view your existing payment options if you have any and make changes as needed. Now, let's proceed by adding a new payment method. Look for the button that says Add Payment Method. Usually it's prominently displayed, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Clicking this button will open a form where you'll enter your new payment details. This could be adding a new credit or debit card, a bank account, or any other options Hostinger supports. Take your time to fill out the payment information carefully. Double-check the card number, expiration date, and security code. It's crucial to ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any issues with payment processing. Once you're sure everything is correct, go ahead and save the new payment method. Congratulations! You've successfully added a new payment method to your Hostinger account. This means your future transactions will be quicker and hassle-free, as you now have an up-to-date payment option linked directly to your account. Before we wrap up, let's go over a few quick tips. Always make sure your payment method's information is up-to-date to prevent service interruptions. Also, consider having a backup payment method just in case your primary one fails for any reason. This will ensure continuous service without any downtime. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials on managing your online presence effectively.